This male may have secured pole position, but the female won't release her eggs for him to fertilize until conditions are just right. Now the sharks begin to close in, sensing that the critical moment is approaching. The tide is beginning to turn. This could be the moment to spawn. Suddenly, the females rush up towards the surface, releasing their clouds of eggs as they go. The males pursue them, simultaneously releasing their sperm. It's an act the groupers seem prepared to die for. It's now or never. The fertilized eggs will now be swept away from the many hungry mouths of the reef dwellers. Most of the billions of eggs that cloud the sea will be eaten. But a few, a tiny but crucial minority, will find another reef and make it their home.